In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva Cloudflare error. If you're trying to open Canva and you keep getting stuck on a Cloudflare error, a security check loop, or an access denied message, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a permanent problem, and you can usually fix it in just a few simple checks. The goal here is to figure out whether the issue is coming from Canva's side, your browser, or your network connection. First, open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. This is Canva's official status page, and it helps you confirm whether the platform is having a wider service issue. Once the page loads, look for the section related to site performance and overall system health. If you see that Canva is experiencing downtime or network problems, the best thing to do is wait for their team to resolve it. But if everything looks normal and operational, then the problem is most likely local to your device or connection. Next, clear your browser cookies and cached files. This is one of the most effective fixes because Cloudflare often relies on browser-based security tokens. And if those become outdated or corrupted, the security check can fail repeatedly. In your browser, open the menu in the top right corner and choose the option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data along with cached images and files are selected. After that, clear the data. This won't delete your Canva designs, but it can remove the broken session data causing the issue. If the error still appears, open an incognito or private browsing window and go directly to canva.com. This creates a clean browsing session without your usual saved cookies, extensions, or profile conflicts. It's especially helpful if you use multiple accounts or switch between different browser profiles because that can sometimes confuse security checks and trigger a block. If Canva still won't load properly, check your browser extensions. Open your extensions menu and temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, tracker blockers, or VPN-related extensions. Some of these tools can interfere with the connection handshake that Cloudflare expects, which may cause access issues even when everything else looks fine. Finally, refresh your network connection. Disconnect from Wi-Fi, turn off your router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This can help assign a fresh IP address and clear up any temporary routing problems. Once you reconnect, open Canva again and check if the site loads normally. After following these steps, you should be able to get back into Canva